We are back guys with another unit galing sa Gel Blaster Iloilo PH Hub. So, tignan natin kung nasa loob. Ayun. So, ito ang Sijun MK18 version 4. So, what's inside the box is yung unit. Tapos, foregrip. So, may foregrip siyang dala. Milky white at iron sights. So, napakagandang quality ng iron sight. Charger for 11.1 volts battery. Tapos, yung tool. Ito yung screwdriver na maliit. Okay. At magazine. So, medyo mahirap kunin sa box. So, quality kahit yung box. Yun, yung magazine. Tapos, 11.1 battery. So, naka XT30 plugs na rin. Safety shades. At ang unit mismo. Okay, so napakaganda. Yung unit na to pala is 80% metal. Metal yung inner and outer barrel. Yung receiver at yung handguard is nylon. Ayun, so makikita naman sa video na medyo may kabigatan ng unit kasi medyo umaalog yung camera natin. So itabi muna natin itong box. Ayan, and going back to the unit mismo. So, split type yung gearbox ito. Ayan, at yung handguard is Daniel Defense inspired. So, kuwang-kuwa. Yung gears pala nito is metal na rin. At yung muzzle, ayan, nakita yung muzzle. Sa loob niyan is yung sinasabi ko kanina, metal inner and outer barrel. So, napakagandang unit. Yung charging handle, metal din. Pakinggan natin. So, same features. Ulitin natin. Ayun. So, rinig na rinig naman, no? Ang ganda ng tunog pag nire-release yung bolt. So, yan, metal, buffer tube, tsaka adjustable yung buttstock. Okay. Yung nut sa buffer tube is metal din. Fire selector button or lever is metal din. Yung trigger, metal din. Yung mag release, metal din, at saka itong push nozzle. So, parang daanan ng hangin yan. So, metal din yun. Ito naman yung motor at yung grip. Yung motor na tugmang-tugma sa MOSFET. Safety, semi, and automatic firing modes. So, ito, sabi ko kanina is yung mag-release is metal na din. And naka-auto prime to dahil nga naka-MOSFET. So yun, pakinggan natin mamaya kung paano. Pero bago nyan, lagay muna natin yung battery. Okay, so again, yung battery is naka XT30 plugs na rin yan. Okay, so kunin natin yung buttstock. Tapos lalagay natin yung battery. Okay, so try na natin yung magazine. Okay. Pakinggan natin. Yun. So, test fire, semi. Double action trigger. One click and release. Yeah. Full auto. Test fire.